Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of generating a backup code and when and how to use it in detail. A backup code combines unique numbers and letters that can be used once to access an account. Once the backup code is used, the same backup cannot be used again to access the account. A backup code is automatically generated when the user initiates the 2FA method. When the primary 2FA methods become inaccessible or lost, you can use the backup code that you generated and stored securely to access the account. If you lose the saved backup code, you can regenerate it at any time, but only if you can access the primary 2FA method. Additionally, if a backup code is used to access the account, the added 2FA methods will be removed from the account. Therefore, the 2FA should be re-added. Let's consider a scenario where a user handles critical documents in an organization. The user understands the importance of maintaining the security of the documents and has secured his BoldSign account. He decides to enable one primary two-factor authentication method and save the backup code for emergency purposes. Let me guide you through the process. First, I log into the BoldSign account and navigate to the Settings option. I select my profile, which directs me to my profile page. Moving to the two-step authentication section, I am going to enable email authentication. To do that, I click the Add button next to the verification email option. It will prompt me to enter the email to which the verification code should be sent when accessing the account. The email ID that was just used for this account cannot be added there. So, I add a different email ID and click Verify Email Address. A verification code will be sent to the added email ID, which needs to be entered here to confirm the account's legitimacy. Once added, I click Verify. The recovery email verification setup is complete, and a Continue button is displayed. Once clicked, the backup code will be generated. You can save it in secure storage, and this backup code can be used when the primary 2FA is lost or cannot be accessed. If the saved backup is lost someday, you can regenerate the backup code if you have access to the primary 2FA. Just below the 2FA method, you will have the option to regenerate the code. From there, you can regenerate your backup code whenever you wish and save it. Next, let me show you when and how the user will use the backup code. When the user is unable to use the 2FA verification method to access the account, I will show you what should be done. Enter the user email on the BoldSign login page and click Continue. Next, enter the user password and click the Sign In button. It directs me to the Verify Your Identity page. I click the Choose a Different Verification Method link. On the More Authentications page, I select the Login with Recovery Code option, which takes me to the Verify Identity using the backup code page. Here, I enter the backup code generated and saved, and then click Verify. Finally, I am successfully logged into the account. Additionally, it's important to note that if a backup code is used to log into an account, all previously set two-step authentications are disabled. The same backup code cannot also be used in the login process again. This concludes the process of using a backup code in two-step authentication. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.